Hi, I have a math challenge and Phoebe has a math challenge for you. It's totally optional, but if you want to participate, here's what it is. Find something in your home that you want to measure and you're going to take 2 measurements of that item. I'm going to choose my dog today because she's going to help me explain when you would use a ruler and when you might use measuring tape. Depending on what you measure will help you determine which tool is best. So for example, for the challenge, in your journal, you're going to find a spot and say math challenge. You're going to tell me what you measured and you're going to give me 2 measurements. And I'm going to do an example here showing you exactly what I mean. So I'm going to measure her ear. Can you sit down? Okay. I'm going to take the ruler. I see the inches. I'm going to put it at the starting point and I see her ear is 4 inches. So the ruler worked fine for that. So for here, I have 4 inches. But when I want to measure, let's say I wanted to get her a new collar, I would want to measure her neck, and a ruler's not going to work because it's not going to go all the way around her collar. So I'm going to use measuring tape. That's the tool I would use to measure around something. So I'm going to go around her neck. Not too tight, don't worry. Kind of loose, and you'll see I've tagged where her neck is, and that is 9 inches. So I'm going to write that down. She's being very agreeable right now. Okay, so this is the math challenge. If you wish to participate, you're going to find oh, I didn't fill in the top part. So I chose to measure Phoebe, and I picked 2 things to measure, and I measured her ear, and I was able to use a ruler because her ear is nice and flat and straight. And I had to use measuring tape. I chose this tool because it goes around something. So her neck around is 9 inches. So you can pick something in your home, come up with 2 measurements, write this in the journal, share it in your Flipgrid, and you get to earn Change Your Background Pass. So do the challenge and change your background and have some fun with it too. Okay, bye!